What's going on, everybody? Day 4 out here with the old Powerstroke, and hopefully today is the day I can get the wheels on, straighten them coils out a bit, adjust the drag link, torque everything down, pretty much everything I touched, go over and check again because you don't want to miss no bolts or have no loose bolts or anything. So yeah, right now we're gonna try and adjust the 4 length. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm just thinking that if I take both the top 4 links off, because I gotta try and get the axle to come forward, like say it's like this, it needs to get like this to straighten these coils out. So hopefully with a big ratchet strap I can do that. So we're gonna try that idea right now and see what happens, and we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, we got live action under here. We're chilling. So pretty much the whole reason why I'm pretty sure I have to do this, obviously, is because one, I got a 6-inch lift in the truck. I added a 1-inch spacer, so essentially it is 7 inches of lift in the front. So I pretty much went around and fucked up all the geometry pretty much, but that's all right. So the thing I was telling you guys about is I was a little confused at first few videos ago about what I needed to do. But basically the pumpkin just needs to come up, so to straighten out the coils because they're a little bowed in. So I unhooked the top 4 link because that's what I'm going to adjust on where to leave the axle. And basically I got it right at the pumpkin. Now, you know, everything's still, it's not fully compressed because you're gonna have a hard time. Like the axle is dropped down some so the coils can move. But if you look, when I ratchet this, if you could see that it's moving. Ooh, it's tight. Yep, see that? Just like that. So yeah, as you guys can see, I mean, it's already looking a lot better. I mean, I think I'm gonna try that right there and then lift the axle up and see what happens. I might adjust from there. I might have to do it again, but we'll see. You know, nothing too crazy. I mean, I'm kind of happy with that. I mean, that doesn't look bad because then the axle still got to go up some, so it's gonna compress more, but we'll see. We'll play around with it a little bit. Alrighty, guys, so we are pretty much wrapping up. I showed you in the last clip of the ratchet strapping. You want one of these big ratchet straps. Yeah, so I do have both shocks back on. I mean, this coil, I mean, I still got to lift the axle up, but it's about as straight as I will get it. Right now, I'm just going through and tightening and torquing pretty much everything I've touched. And the drag link right here for the steering, I'm going to have to adjust that as well, but we're almost ready to put the tires on and let it sit on some weight, and then we'll go adjusting the drag link from there. We'll probably lift it up again, but I'm just buttoning everything up right now. Tightening, torquing, that ain't even a word, I don't think. Guess what? Powerstroke and Rick's out here inventing words. We're torquing this thing down, you feel me? So, I mean, this coil looks really good right now. So pretty much the way I went about it is I was just basically measuring the threads on this. So I got like 3 threads on this side of the top one and 3 on that side, so I know they're at the same. And then same with the bottom. That's how I adjusted that roughly. I'm certainly no expert in this, and I'm no alignment guy, so just trying to get everything as solid and straight as I can until I get an official alignment. So yeah, the billet sway bar links, I mean, they look awesome. I mean, all the powder coating. So yeah, we're just torquing everything down. That's right, baby. My own word. Torquing down, baby. So yeah, it's definitely been a project for sure, but it looks pretty cool. I'm excited to see how the extra inch of lift in the front looks. I might be tooted, you know? 7 in the front, 6 in the back, baby. That's right. All right, so here it is, finally, sitting on its own weight. I got the spring about as straight as I can get it, and I'm happy with it. Yeah. Definitely a project, for sure. So, you probably can't tell, but I mean, I can tell at least. So technically it's 6 inches in the back because the truck was a full 6-inch lift. So it's 6 in the back and it's 7 in the front. If you look hard enough, you can tell. I'll probably move it in the driveway too. It'll be easier to tell because where it's sitting right now. So yeah, that is the PMF parts right there. I mean, this is the video. I definitely have some more stuff to torque. I already started messing with the drag link as best as I could. Just had my girlfriend holding the steering wheel straight and trying to get these tires straight. So it's definitely hard, man. It's tricky. The tires will play games with you with your eyes. You're looking at them and you're like, does that straight? Oh, maybe it isn't. So the drag link's cool because you just got a nut there and a nut there, and you could just adjust it however you need from the heim to that tie rod right there. So yeah, sway bar might need adjusted. I'm not sure. It might need to, I don't know. I think it might be all right where it's at. A lot of trial and error here. So, and I only got 3 lug nuts on, so I gotta get the rest of them on. But pretty much, that's it. That's a 7-inch lift, excluding the 6 in the back, pretty much. So yeah, I'll have to get a tape measure and actually measure how much of a difference. I'm sure if you put a little 1-inch spacer, I'm sure it maybe goes up 1/2 inch. Like, you won't be able to tell too much, but yeah, there she is. If I go any higher, I'll probably need some longer brake lines for sure. So yeah, tooted. At least it runs. Oh.
You're going too fast, bitch.
You all good, dog? You all good, dog? That's it. That's moving it in the driveway. Probably check other stuff and then take it for a drive. So see how we're looking. Hey, give her a little pepper for me, eh? Woo, baby. That's right, y'all. We got the test drive going on here. We might blow it up. So far, so good, though. I ain't gonna lie.
And I was looking at chicks on my phone.
He was looking at chicks on his phone.
Mm-hmm.
We out here in the Northfield hood. My steering wheel, look how fucking bent it is.
Right.
Clapped.
Socks.
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 My boy, this is fucking barefoot Bobby right here, baby.
Right, Bobby.
Steering wheel's fucking pretty tight. I mean, for not getting alignment and having all that, I mean, that's just me right there. That's not bad.
This thing's wide.
Wide wheels. All right, y'all. So this is it. Just drove it probably like 10 minutes. The drag link is pretty good. So still need an alignment, but I'm happy with it, man. This is the 4-day project right here. It's looking good. Thanks for watching, y'all, and following this along. Like, comment, and subscribe. Much love, y'all.